There was only one pumpkin in the world, and that was the head of an enormous pumpkin giant. He was huge. If he was standing outside the chapel right now and you looked out the windows, you wouldn't even see his head. All you would see would be a big pair of shiny black boots, big pair of pants, a big silver belt, and his head and his shoulders would be lost somewhere up there in the clouds. He was immense. But Peter was standing there. His legs had turned to jelly, and the giant getting closer and closer and closer. Oh, 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 said Peter. And what he did was he picked up the biggest potato he could find, then he threw it into the air, and he smacked it hard with a spade, and it flew through the air, and boom, boom. This one, Wild Magic. Wild Magic was my third book, and for this one, I decided I was going to take a very old story that everyone would know, and I would shine it up, and I would polish it until it was new and different. And the story I chose was the story of the Pied Piper of Hamelin. Woo! Beautifully! Well done. Are you brave? Yeah. Oh, I see. Girls, are you brave? Yeah. Boys, are you brave? Yeah. Grown-ups, are you brave? Yeah. They're scaredy cats. But then he heard a voice. Keze. Keze. Woo! That's fantastic! Shall we go ashore? Shall we do some robbing and stealing, my lads? Aye, aye, Captain! And they got in their boats and they started to row. Heave ho, heave ho, heave ho, heave ho. In the night we steal, oh, heave ho, pirate gold. Heave ho, underneath the moon, oh, heave ho, pirate gold. And the villagers saw him coming, and they cheered him on. San Dimitri, San Dimitri, San Dimitri, San Dimitri. And the great, the horse jumped back up onto the cliff. And if you go out on a fishing boat late at night, if you're very, very lucky, who knows, maybe you will see the lamp burning for yourself.